So making a little video for y'all, man. I already got it all cut up, you know what I'm saying? So the onions with the peppers, you know what I'm saying? Platanito maduro. Chicken. Onion rice right here, boy. And we got la yuca getting done too. Oh, y'all can see, right? Hold up. Guess that smoke was clouding it up. So 1 second. But yeah, everything getting ready. I like to do my spices, my peppers and all that. I'm gonna heat them up right here good, fry them up good. Now I'm dropping that chicken. Chicken already got his little seasoning done. Everything getting ready. So yeah. So for now, I'm trying to see how I could show y'all in a good angle. There's a lot of things I gotta, you feel me? Gotta carry right now at the same time, you know what I'm saying? But a good way would be, let me see. Boom. Let me see this a bit good, bro. Trying to see what's the best way to carry this for y'all. So y'all can have a good angle of this right here. Or even like this, let me see. Aloha. Let me see if y'all could see everything there. Can y'all see everything there? A little back, let me see. Let's see right there. Trying to catch the angles for y'all so y'all can see everything getting made, you feel me? And right there. That's the best angle for y'all right there. Let me see. Yeah, everything right there. Seriously. Oh yeah. Put my peppers in here. Time for a little bit. I'll start dropping that chicken in there. Chicken is fast. It doesn't take too long. There's a little cooking wine right there. My 2 chickens right here, and I throw them on top. And you got to give it a little spin, you know. So now, I like to spin it down. That chicken won't come on fire. That chicken won't come on fire. Drop a little cooking wine now on it while it's baked. Simmer it down. Makes that texture come out perfect. How beautiful our chicken looking right now. Now we're getting ready for what? Platanitos maduros. This is fast. Platanito maduro is quick. You know what I'm saying? Give this a little stir. This is super quick. Spin around. A nice little spin around. Oh boy, this is come out fire. It's gonna come out fire. This is real deal. Holy field. Helps me get my mind off things, you know. My little girl sick at the house. With a little nose that keeps bleeding. A lot of things, you know. So it takes my mind off things, you know. So I make my little food, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see right here. Show y'all a little angle right there. I'm gonna put the phone right back down how it is, but if you can see that angle, boy. Yes, sir. Yeah, chicken, how beautiful. Los platanitos maduros. About to get ready. Just a little spin right here. Let's spin right here. Ooh boy, it's coming out serious. Coming out serious, you can see it. I can bring down the heat some right here. And the platanito maduro, I keep it on high all the way, you hear? High all the way. Now yuca's about to be done. I look like you can tell it's about to be done. It'll be done probably like in 5 more minutes. Guess what? We're gonna get them chickens up out of the fridge. Yeah, it came out fresh in the plastic. How about that? Well, they're all about to come out now. Okay, let's get the platanito, you know. The platanito is about to. Like, give it a little more time for platanito. A little more. But this is ready. This is ready right here. How beautiful it came out. This came out beautiful. Turn this off. And now, put los platanitos over here. Platanito maduro. How beautiful it came out. Nice. Turn this off. Everything's nice. Almost done. I'll show y'all right now so y'all can see the picture how it's looking right now. How nice is that chicken looking right there. Boom. Beautiful. Platanito, perfect platanito. Beautiful. Y la yuca ready to go. Ready. About to. You understand? That's what we do out here. We cook, we make food. Just, enjoy life, man. Enjoy life, man. So yeah, this is what I do, make my little food. I'm not making no salad today. I'm just eating it like that, you know what I'm saying? Yuca, platanita, that's enough. That's enough. So salad today, that's too much already. I'm not eating too much. I'm gonna eat with my, you know what I'm saying? So right now, just, cleaning this stuff up, But I ain't gonna get y'all bored with cleaning up all the stuff. But I'm gonna give y'all, see, I can see, I'm gonna show y'all that onion rice I made. Hold up. Beautiful onion rice. Look at this bomb. Beautiful. Beautiful onion rice. Forgot about that. Watch when y'all see the servings. Watch when y'all see the servings. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned. You already know. I'm going to do a quick short on how the plate's going to look. All right? So y'all already know, man. Stay tuned.